In this video, I'll show you how to make a song with Suno AI. First, open your web browser, go to the Suno AI website, and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, click Create to start a new song. Next, enter a prompt describing the type of song you want to generate. Include details such as the genre, mood, instruments, theme, and vocal style. If you want more control, enable custom mode to write your own lyrics, choose a song title, and customize the music even further. Now, click the Create button and wait while Suno AI generates your song. In just a few moments, you'll receive one or more versions of your track. After that, listen to the generated songs and choose your favorite. If you'd like to make changes, you can edit the prompt, update the lyrics, or generate another version until you're happy with the result. Finally, once you're satisfied, use the download or share option to save your song or share it with others. You can also continue building on the track by extending it or creating new variations if those options are available. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to make a song with Suno AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.